Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into one of the most controversial diets out there, the carnivore diet. Whether you're curious about its benefits, risks, or if it's even sustainable, stick around because we're breaking it all down. Let's get started. Explanation of the carnivore diet. So what exactly is the carnivore diet? It's a way of eating that focuses almost entirely on animal-based foods. Things like beef, chicken, fish, eggs, and even some dairy. It cuts out all plants, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and nuts. The idea is simple. Eat only meat and animal products. Benefits of the carnivore diet. Now let's talk about the potential benefits. Here's what supporters of the carnivore diet often report. Weight loss. By cutting out carbs, your body starts burning fat for fuel. Reduced inflammation. Eliminating processed foods and certain plant compounds might help reduce inflammation in some people. Better blood sugar control. For those with diabetes or insulin resistance, the diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Simplified eating. No calorie counting or complex recipes, just meat on your plate. Risks and concerns. But here's the flip side, the risks and concerns you need to know. Nutritional deficiencies. You're missing out on vital nutrients found in fruits and vegetables like vitamin C and fiber. Heart health risks. Eating a lot of saturated fats may increase your cholesterol levels. Gut health issues. No fiber means your gut microbiome could suffer. Sustainability. It's a restrictive diet which might be hard to stick to long term. What does science say, and what does science have to say? Well, the truth is there isn't a lot of research on the carnivore diet. Most of the evidence is anecdotal, which means it's based on personal experiences. Long-term studies are still lacking. Final thoughts and recommendations. So, is the carnivore diet for you? It depends on your goals and health needs. If you're considering it, make sure to consult a healthcare professional first. And remember, balance is key. You don't have to go all in. You can experiment with a mix of animal and plant-based foods to find what works best for you. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried the carnivore diet or are you thinking about it? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video.